Cardiologists know that specific food combinations can reverse arterial plaque buildup. Yet, most people eat unhealthy meals daily. To understand arterial health, we must know the processes inside our arteries. Many misunderstand arterial disease and its development. Atherosclerosis is plaque accumulation in arteries, not just dietary fat-clogging pipes. This misconception has led to misguided dietary advice, worsening cardiovascular disease. It begins with endothelial damage, the thin layer lining arteries. This tissue produces nitric oxide, regulates blood flow, and controls inflammation. Healthy endothelium prevents arterial disease. Damage leads to plaque formation. Key drivers of endothelial damage include chronic inflammation, high glucose, and oxidized LDL cholesterol. When oxidized LDL penetrates damaged endothelium, immune cells engulf it, forming foam cells that contribute to plaque buildup. The described meal targets multiple disease aspects: reducing inflammation, supporting endothelium, improving lipid profiles, and delivering essential nutrients for arterial health. This meal combines well-researched dietary components for cardiovascular health, each chosen for their protective effects. The first component is wild-caught fatty fish, like salmon or sardines. They provide omega-3 fatty acids known to reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol ratios. Research shows high omega-3 intake lowers cardiovascular mortality and improves endothelial function compared to other fats. Dark leafy greens, the second component, offer dietary nitrates that boost endothelial function and arterial flexibility. These nitrates convert to nitric oxide, supporting vasodilation and preventing blood clots. They also combat arterial damage caused by dietary issues or stress. Greens contain vitamin K that prevents calcium deposits in arteries. Adequate intake inhibits calcification and maintains artery health. Folate, found in these greens, keeps homocysteine levels normal, preventing endothelial damage and reducing cardiovascular risk. The meal uses cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, extensively researched for cardiovascular benefits. Its high oleocanthal and oleuropein reduce inflammation and oxidative LDL modification. Monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil improve HDL function and maintain cell membranes integrity. Garlic and other allium vegetables support plaque regression. Allicin, released when garlic is prepared, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure while aiding endothelial health. Research shows aged garlic extract can reduce coronary artery calcium scores, indicating plaque regression, not just slowed progression. Berries or pomegranate provide antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds combat LDL oxidation, reduce inflammation, and improve nitric oxide availability in vessels. Pomegranate contributes to lower arterial wall thickening and oxidative stress, proving its potent antioxidant properties. To assemble this meal, cook wild-caught salmon with garlic and extra virgin olive oil, served on dark leafy greens with olive oil, lemon juice, and red onion, topped with berries or pomegranate. Cooking methods matter. Avoid high heat that damages olive oil. Crush garlic before cooking to maximize benefits from allicin. Lightly press greens instead of overcooking them. What you accompany the meal with is crucial. Refined carbs and sugars can negate the meal's benefits and worsen arterial health. Consistency is vital. Regularly eating this meal 2 to 3 times a week while reducing processed foods and sugars boosts arterial health over time. Your arteries can improve. Endothelium renews, inflammation decreases, and lipid profiles can enhance with the right nutrition. This meal is not a cure or replacement for medical care. It's a powerful nutritional strategy addressing arterial health by reducing inflammation and stress while supporting artery function. Omega-3s, dietary nitrates, olive oil, allicin, and anthocyanins each enhance cardiovascular benefit and support healthy arteries. Your next meal is an opportunity. Choose wisely to benefit your arteries.